This is the best balisong ever. My other one sort of broke. I don't know what was wrong with it. Hold on. There we go. But see, it's like a little piece of metal just bumped up, and it's just a lot weirder. But yeah, this one came in the mail today. It's pretty neat. It's a bottle opener. It doesn't flip near as well, but again, I'm also terrible at flipping, so like. But I like this. It's pretty unique, pretty cool. I also can never get the flips on camera. Latch doesn't work though, unless it's open. And then still, it also somehow cut me on the sides. Just then, sharp sides, I guess. But, yeah.